Good morning. Today we are going to study composition of a function. Here is the definition of the composition function. Let functions from a to b and g is another functions from b to c be two functions, then the composition of f and g denoted by GOF and is defined as the function GOF A to C, and it's given by this GOF f of x and g of this. So in order to understand composition of functions, we take some basic example of day-to-day life. Suppose somebody want to go from Guwahati to Delhi by flight, but he is not getting the direct flight. He get hopping flight. Hopping flight means the flight directly not go to main destinations. Okay, suppose the persons who is want to go Guwahati to Delhi, his flight is stay in Kolkata, then after go in Delhi. Start with Guwahati, go to Kolkata, then Delhi. So I will set up the relations. Okay, the flight take off from Guwahati and land in Kolkata. Okay, after that from Kolkata to Delhi. Okay, but the person is interested to go Delhi. Okay, actually like this. Something what happened. So there is a process between first and last. Okay, the first person is not interested to go Kolkata. Okay, but there is a process to reach Delhi. He must go to Kolkata, and after that, after Kolkata, he go to Delhi. But he is not interested to go to Kolkata. He interested to go directly Delhi. Okay, between two sets there is a process which is not interested by first and last. But for reaching there, we have to proceed this step also. One more example. Student are appearing board exam. Okay, and he is interested to their result. Okay, so I make the three set. Student giving the board exam has submitted their copy to the board. Okay, again board is submitted the copy for checking to teachers. Okay, but student what, he is not interested this process. He is interested to know the result. Okay, so what happened when the student giving the paper to the board is converted their roll number to some code, and this copy give to teachers. Okay, but student does not interested in between this process, making code, giving to the teachers. Student not interested. Student only interested to know the result. So this type of setup we make mathematically is known as the composition of the function. So again come to the definitions. You see the definitions once again. A functions from a to b and another function from g b to c. Okay, then the composition of f and g is denoted by GOF and is defined by this. Okay, mathematically we write like this the functions. Okay, so a b c is the three sets. So we make a functions from a to b. Okay, take this b f, clear, and we take another function from b to c. we take this be g. Okay, so functions a to b is taking as f, and this is written as f of x. Okay, and the next function is started from b to c, a to b, b to c, and these functions we get g of f of x. Okay, and the functions which is directly come to c is known as g of f. Okay, g of f. This is like set up some machine. Okay, the raw material x put up here, then this raw material is go to the another machine. Okay, and let's make the product f of x, and this machine is transferred to another machine there, that get the final product. Okay, this setup is called GOF. So many times we not interested about the middle process, we interested about the final product. Once again you see the definitions. Okay, two functions from f of a to b, and second function is started from b to c, and main product is got like this, from a to directly a to c. Okay, this process we not interested. Okay, so for getting a to c we also doing this process also. Clear? So this function is known as composition of functions. I am telling this function as graph functions because the function is graphing like this. Okay, this. Hope you understand. So I am taking one example, how to find GOF and FOC. Okay, here f of x and g of x is given. We have to find g of f and f of g. For finding the composition functions, it is very easy. Okay, so just you see here. So here two function is given, f of x which is given 8x cube, and gx is given which is x to power 1 by 3. Okay, for finding GOF, okay, we write like this, GOF which is equal to g, we write g of f of x. Okay, now we put the value of f of x here. F of x is this value 8x cube. Okay, now this whole value is what, like x, g of x. Now we put the value this in here in the place of this. Okay, g of f is converted is like this, and we put the value of f of x here. Now display the rules of x. Okay, now we put the value of this x in these functions. Okay, now we are going to find f o g x. Okay, which is written as f of g of x. We put the value of g of x here. G of x is x to power 1 by 3. Now display the rule of x. Now this value we put in here. Now 8 x to power this 1 by 3 power, this is written is now x to power 3 by 3, which is equal to 8x. Okay, we get 8x. Okay, now you see once again this f of x, we put the value this x to power 3. Okay, now if you solve this, you got this is 2 to power 3 x to power 3 to power 1 by 3, which is equal to 2x to power 3 above 1 by 3 equal to 2x. Okay, so in this way we put the value accordingly. So we solve the exercise questions later. If you have any query, then message me. So first we try to cover up the theory part. After that we solve exercise questions, example questions, questions coming from the board, competitive exam questions. Okay, so for today that's all. Thank you.